Hey there, welcome to day 8 of my 90-day n8n challenge. So, a quick recap of week 1. We learned these 6 core concepts and we built our very first real automation, an email bot that sent us a real email. That was awesome. But all of our data so far has been inside n8n. We just wrote it in the set node. Today, that all changes. We are starting week 2 by connecting n8n to the most popular, most useful database on the entire planet, and that's Google Sheets. This is the key to everything. Reading data, saving data, building reports, it all starts here. But before we can use it, we have to get permission. We have to get our key card or token to the building. Today is all about the most important and sometimes scary part, authentication. So let's get started. Alright, so I have my diagram here that shows how we connect n8n to Google Sheets. The first part is authentication. So on the left, we have n8n, which is our bot. Okay, this is our worker who we want to send to get or drop off our data. Alright, so on the right, we have our Google Sheets. Okay, this is the vault. This is where all your precious data lives. Alright, Google guards this like a high security bank vault. It doesn't let anyone in. All right, and this lock, this padlock in the middle is the security. Okay, you can't just walk up to Google's vault and say, hey, I'm with n8n, let me in. Google will say, well, I have no idea who you are, go away. And this is a good thing actually. You wouldn't want some random app you've never heard of to just start reading your spreadsheets, right? So we need a special, safe way to prove to Google that we, the owner of both accounts, give our n8n bot permission to access our Google Sheets. All right, we're not going to give n8n our entire or main Google password. Never. That would be like giving a stranger the master key to your entire life. So instead, we are going to go through a special process called OAuth2. That's a fancy name for a simple idea. So we'll tell n8n, hey, go ask Google for permission. It's gonna send a request to Google. All right, so n8n will send us to Google, a pop-up window will open up, and inside the Google window, we'll log into our Google account where it's safe. Google will ask us, hey, this app called n8n wants to specifically edit your Google Sheets. All right, do you allow this? When we click allow, Google gives n8n a special one-time use key card called a token. This key card or token only works for Google Sheets. It doesn't work for our Gmail, our Google Drive, or anything else. And we can cancel this key card or token at any time from our Google settings. This is the secure handshake we are about to do. Here we are, a blank workflow. Okay, let's try to access the Google Vault. So I'm going to click this first step and have a trigger. Once I have the trigger, I'm going to click this plus again and find Google Sheets. I'm just going to type in Sheets. So this is the first one. We can just select anyone for now. Let's just select create spreadsheet. Once we have OAuth for any of these, we can access all of these other actions as well. So I'm going to hit create spreadsheet. Okay, we get the credentials window open and I'm just going to close this for now. And look, just like our Gmail node, it has a red warning triangle. It says credentials for Google Sheets are not set. So what is this? Well, this is exactly our diagram. This is Google Sheets node or our bot telling us that I'm at the vault door, but I don't have the key card, right? The padlock is on. We have to give it credentials. So I'm going to open the configuration settings. I'm going to open this up and the credential to connect with is empty. We don't have anything here. Okay. And I'm going to click create new credential. And here's that screen again, right? Just like with Gmail. And we're going to do the same thing. Just like Gmail, we're going to use OAuth2, which is the recommended method. And then I'm going to hit sign in with Google. All right, so a new window pops up and see this, I'm not in n8n anymore. This pop-up window is 100% google.com, right? It's safe and n8n cannot see what I type in here. This is me talking directly to Google. Okay, I'm going to choose the account. And here is the permission slip we talked about. All right, look what it's asking for. see, edit, create, delete all your Google Drive files, etc. See, edit, create, delete all your Google Sheets spreadsheets. So it has some actions related to Google Sheets and Google Drives. So probably we don't have to set up Google Drive next time, but we'll see that. All right, so this is the moment. It's only asking, so it's asking for Google Drive and Google Sheets. It's not asking for my email. It's not asking for my photos. This is the key card we want. I'm gonna hit click allow and continue. And it says connection successful. The window will close automatically in 5 seconds, which is good. And it says account connected. Perfect. And we're back in n8n. The pop-up is gone, and look, the credentials field. So it says account connected, and the credentials field says Google Sheets account. And the red warning triangle, let's take a look at that, is gone. Awesome. So what just happened? We did the handshake, right? We told Google n8n is cool. Google gave n8n the secret key card or token, and now our n8n node has the key card. The pad is unlocked. The vault door is open. We are connected. Awesome. And that's day 8. That was a huge step, right? That OAuth process, that handshake, that is the scariest part for most beginners. And we just did it, right? We now have a secure, authorized connection between our n8n bot and our Google Sheets vault. Our mailman has the key, right? So the door is open. What now? Well, tomorrow on day 9, we're going to use that connection. All right, we're going to tell our bot to walk into that vault and put some data on the shelf. We're going to learn how to append data, how to add a new row to a spreadsheet, all from n8n. This is where the power really starts. You don't want to miss it. All right, see you tomorrow for day 9.